On January 4th, 2012, a strange message appeared online. A puzzle, a challenge, and the beginning of one of the Internet's greatest mysteries. The group called itself Cicada 3301. Their message was simple. We are looking for highly intelligent individuals. But who they were, no one knew. The puzzle sent thousands of curious minds around the world down a rabbit hole of ciphers, hidden codes, and digital steganography. Every clue opened the door to another layer. Then, things got real. Clues began appearing in the physical world. Posters with QR codes placed in cities across the globe, all pointing toward the next encrypted challenge. Only a handful of solvers made it to the end. They claim Cicada contacted them privately. But after that, silence. The group vanished. Cicada returned in 2013 and again in 2014, then disappeared without explanation. No identity, no mission, just questions. To this day, no one knows who Cicada 3301 is, or what they truly wanted.
Intelligence test? Recruitment? Or something much bigger?